We are on Challah, Perek Dalid, Mishnah Gimel, third Mishnah in the fourth chapter, which is the last chapter of Masechet Challah. We're discussing the idea of tziruf, of combining two pieces together. Normally we say, if I have pieces of dough that they are connected, let's just make this, if they're all the same, for our purpose, if they're all the same, then they're mitzuraf, they're no shake to one another, then they're mitzaref. All the doughs, doesn't matter, I have 2 pieces of dough, I have 3 pieces of dough, 3 blobs of dough, they're all the same. Okay? They're all connected, they're all chayav and challah. That's if they're all the same. But our Mishnah says the following, what if I have shnei kavin? So each one of these doughs is a kav. So each one alone is not chayav. And if I would leave them separately, then each one would be patur and challah. Now I take something else and put it in the middle. So the Mishnah says, if I have kav orez or kav truma be'emtza, actually, so then if this wanted to be exact, what I would do is take this, okay, and it's a kav, the same thing, it's a kav orez be'emtza, okay, so there we go. Each one of the 3 sizes, and they're all considered touching. So wheat touching rice, wheat touching rice, touching wheat, okay, or kav orez, or kav truma be'emtza, because we know it doesn't matter, orez, rice, is patur from challah, and truma is also patur from challah. So you have 2 chayav and challah on the outside, and they're connected by something that's patur from challah. So the Mishnah says, Eina mitzarfin. That's not a tziruf, that's not chayav in challah. They're not considered connected for the purposes of challah, and each one has patur. But, let's say instead of this being blue, and instead of this being orange, i.e. it's truma, no, it's dough, but I already took off challah from it. It's wheat, it's the same thing, but challah is taken off. So these 2, they didn't have the challah taken off, and this one did. And this one is in the middle. Then the Mishnah says, mitzarfim. Then the middle one can be mitzarf, it can connect, it does connect the other 2. Shekfarnit chayev bechallah. It was already obligated in challah. Because the middle dough, I guess is of the same, it has the same halachic status and category. So even though it's not chayav in challah, these 2 are chayav in challah, and therefore they are mitztarev, they are combined together, and you can take off challah only from the amount that you need for these 2. All right, we'll stop here. If you have any questions or comments, as always, email me here. We'll dedicate the learning to memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a great day.